Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp backup stock issues. So if your WhatsApp backup is stuck at a certain percentage or won't complete, just follow along. First, you need to make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the backup continues. Next, check that you have enough free storage space on your iPhone. After that, try restarting your phone and then try backup again. You should also make WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. For that, you need to go to App Store, search for WhatsApp and then tap on update if it's available. Another fix is to temporarily exclude larger videos from the backup by going to Settings, Chat Backup and turning off Include Videos. If the backup is still stuck, try logging out and logging back into your cloud account, then start the backup again. If nothing works, try uninstalling and reinstalling the WhatsApp, but only do this if you're sure your existing chats are already backed up. So those were some best ways to fix WhatsApp backup stuck issues. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.